Hi, it's Mrs. Hoban, and today I'm going to show you how to submit a PDF assignment in Schoology. So the easiest option is if you, once you're in Schoology, you're going to go to the course that you need to work on and then open an assignment that is a PDF. And the only option it'll give you right here is View. So you can click on it and it'll pull up the file. If you have access to a printer, you can print it, but if you don't have access to a printer, you can just use a piece of lined paper, write down all the answers, take a picture of your work with your Chromebook, and then submit it through Schoology. But let's say you just want to write on top of the PDF, okay? You don't really have that option right here. So if you go back, you want to install an application that'll allow you to write on top of a PDF. So you're going to open up a new tab and you're going to search for something called Kami extension, spelled with a K, K-A-M-I extension, and it's going to search it for you. So the first one should be titled Kami extension, and it's a PDF and document annotation. So you're going to click on that. And it's pretty easy to install. All you do is select Add to Chrome, choose Add Extension, and then you're going to notice up here there's that purple K right there that stands for Kami. Now, if you ever need to remove it, you just come back and remove it. Okay? Sometimes it's glitchy, and it might help to remove it and then reinstall it. It doesn't mess up your computer or anything. Okay? So what that does is it puts Kami into so that you can use it. All right, when you go back to Schoology, it still says View, so you have to click refresh or go out completely out and then come back in, and then you'll notice next to View it says you can open with Kami. So you're going to open the PDF with Kami, and it's going to pull you into the document with these features over here on the left. Okay, the very first time you go in, it's going to have you say yes and say that you're a student, that you go to a K-12 school, that you're going to give it access to your Google Drive if you ever need to save some documents or pull something up. So you're going to want to say yes to all those. But once you've installed it, it won't keep doing that. As you can see, this one, it just pulled it right up. So over here on the left, because this is a free version, some of these are locked, but if you want to upgrade, you can pay the fee if you want, but you don't need to because all the features you need are free. Okay, so you can draw, which is basically your pencil feature. So you can, if you like pink, you can come over here and say that the answer is 7. So you would put a 7 right there. Okay. Say you were graphing lines, you could come to the shape feature and you can select rectangle, circle, triangle. Here's a line, and you can even change the color of that to blue, and there's your blue line. Okay, if you mess up, just simply select your eraser, go over the top of it, and it'll delete it. You can also insert a text box. Say you want to come up here, and type your name. So you're just gonna, doesn't like me today. Okay, oh, there's my text box. So you're gonna come up here, type in your name, type in what period you're in. If you want to write an answer to a problem, you can say 7x equals 21. You can then simplify it and say x equals 3. And if you got it in the wrong spot, just simply pick it up and move it so that you can see it. When you're satisfied with writing all the answers on whatever the assignment your teacher gives to you, you're going to come up here and you're going to hit Turn In. So there's 2 steps. This Turn In is for Kami. And then you'll select Turn In, which will take you back to Schoology. And then once you get into Schoology, you're going to click on the document again, well, it'll take you back to your classroom. I can't show you because I'm not a student. It's showing me from the teacher side. It'll have Over here on the right, it'll say submit, and you're going to click submit. It'll also offer you space to write a note. You know, say, hope you're having a great day, or I couldn't do problems 7 and 8. Can you help me when I get to class? And then I'll be able to see that and know how to grade accordingly. Okay? If you have any questions, send me an email, and we'll talk to you later. All right, bye.